In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a video call from Gmail to Gmail. It's a straightforward process that can help you connect with colleagues, friends, or family using your Gmail account seamlessly. Let's walk through this together and get you ready to make that call. First things first, you're going to want to open your Gmail account. Once you've logged in, you'll be on the main page, which is your inbox. Now let's look over at the left sidebar where you'll see a variety of options. You're likely familiar with the Compose button up top, but today we're interested in a different feature. Look a bit further down until you see the Chat section. Go ahead and click on Chat. This is where the magic happens when it comes to connecting face to face, albeit virtually, with another Gmail user. Once you're in the Chat section, you'll see a list of your contacts. Now, it's time to select the person you want to video call. This can be anyone you've chatted with before or a new contact if you've added them to your list. Simply scroll through your contacts or use the search bar to find the desired person. Click on their name to open the chat window. This is where you typically send text messages, but today we're taking communication a step further with video. In the newly opened chat window, you'll see various options at the top. On the far right, there's a small camera icon. That's your video call button. When you're ready to initiate the call, click on this video call icon. This action will send an invite to your contact, letting them know you'd like to start a video call. They'll receive a notification, and once they accept your invitation, the video call will commence. While waiting for them to connect, be patient. It might take a few moments for the other person to accept and for the video to establish a connection, depending on their internet speed and current availability. In the meantime, you can ensure your camera is positioned correctly and your microphone is working so you can hear and be heard clearly once the call begins. And there you have it, you're now on a video call through Gmail. It's a hassle-free way to stay connected, make project discussions more engaging, or simply have a casual chat with a friend. Remember, keeping your Gmail up to date and your technology settings optimized can help avoid hiccups during your calls. I hope you found this guide helpful. Now go ahead and try it out yourself and start connecting with your Gmail contacts face to face, one click at a time.